AI, or also known as artificial intelligence, is said to be a futuristic technology that can ease humans' activity and can be used to help humans for some purposes. However, despite this pros, AI also brings some scary things that may be happen in the future. Mass unemployment. A common fear among analysts is the possibility that AI will result in mass unemployment in the world because every job will become fully automated and human labor will no longer be needed. Meanwhile, AI support groups say that technology will lead to the creation of new types of jobs. The needs for engineers will increase due to the new technologies. Humans can also adapt their new lifestyle and live hand in hand with AI technology. War. The term killer robot and other uses of AI in military has become another concern among experts, since robot war not only gonna harm humans, but may also responsible for human extinction. Tesla Chief Executive Elon Musk also warned that AI technology could lead to World War III. There is even a group of NGOs that banning such AI technologies. Their first campaign was formed in 2013, and they demand the government to prevent the development of AI-powered drones and other vehicles. Robot doctor. Most of the experts agree on the benefits of AI in the medical world, such as diagnosing disease, which is much more efficient and accurate. However, several other experts mention that one of the fears among academics is that the people are too dependent on AI to complete various tasks. Last week, a health-focused publication report citing internal IBM documents showing that Watson's app has made some incorrect cancer treatment recommendations. According to the article, the app is designed to handle only a fraction of hypothetical cases and scenarios from actual patient data. Mass surveillance. Experts also worry that AI could be used for mass surveillance. In China, the fear seems to be a reality. China uses the combinations of facial recognition technology and AI to reduce their crime rates. According to the New York Times report published earlier this month, China currently has about 200 million surveillance cameras. The country is also predicted to become a global leader in AI by 2030 and wants to increase the value of its AI sector to 1 trillion yuan. One company that is leading AI and facial recognition technology is Sensor Times. With a business value of $4.5 billion, Alibaba-backed Sensor Time provides authorities in Guangzhou and Yunnan province with AI-powered facial identifications.